that you're going to use the board at minimum 2.5. Understand? For the graph, if it's low power, right, you can use 2.5, write small graph, then 10 in small power, right? And today, we're going to teach you how to make a call from a trio box. See, guys, 11 video with step by step. I'm sure you will enjoy 100%. You who are getting your automotive now and have no idea how it makes the connection. This video is for you. See, stay until the end of the video. I'm sure you will learn and comment here. You are your first sound. See, you are getting to your automotive now. Of nonsense, let's go straight to the point. I only ask you that is not yet subscribed here in the channel. Real and Sound will write, leave your like, which is very important to help the channel. So come on, step by step, think of a complete video. Dad calls in the hug. Come on guys, let's teach you how to make the call here. It's going to be a complete video. See? What you will understand is just put the video that will be chewed here for you. See? It's a necessity from the beginning, right? With a switched source. Let's show you the material here that has a 400 nLMS mode. Huh? But you can have a mode of 800 menes of 1200. It's the same thing being 4 channels, right? Here there is a very top mode here, 4 channels. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it here. It's a system, a rail box, right? If I'm going to do it here, it's a medium, see guys? But pretend that here is a graph that is the same link. Don't worry that here. It's like they say, let's just teach you if you have a base there and 2 in, right? Or more. And another thing too, here is a strange going, right? I'm going to call just to show you myself. But simulating here is a bugle, right? That you're using a horn. I'm not going to put it too loud so it won't work. It's going to give things here, a page here, and here a switched 50 amp source. See? Making it very clear. There is already a super tweet from Indo. So let's go from the beginning, then show you how to make the call until the end of the video. I'm sure you who have never messed with one, just for a reason, will leave here expert. So let's go. And the first thing, right? Let's show you the connection here. Oh, here's a 50 keyed source, right? As I showed you here is the socket cable film, right? In the 1-year-old case. See? All sources are the same. This one here is mine, and I'm not going to connect anything to it, right, for now. But here I'm going to connect one on, which is the socket here. See? First thing you do is buy an outlet, then take advantage of the outlet there of the blender, the television burned, and put here. There are 3 positives, right, that we even show here for you. Oh, 3 positives and 3 negatives here. Forget these 3 here now, see? Let's just work with these 3 here. You can regulate the tension, right? If you have a battery, guys, if I use it in the system, then with a battery. Regulate this little key here. You take a little key and regulate here to 13.8. See? You put in the battery, turn on the battery, then you would regulate it to 3.8. So put in more than that can ruin your battery, right? Which is 11 slow load, right? It won't damage your battery. If you don't use battery, you can leave it at 14.4. And I like to leave it at 3.8 without battery or not. Not that the more you click, the more power, the more this. Cat here will send, and it can, right, damage if you are afraid of the source, locked, right? So we call here, let's show you the father here to start the call, right? Just remembering that everything here is off. See guys, everything is off here. There's a bunch of kids here, but you're just going to grab this black wire, right? Let's take advantage of the black wire and the wire I connected together here with the red and yellow. See, red and yellow. And this here is the remote, which is the blue one, up to 2 parts here. Here is only for those who don't have an amplifier. You have to use the wires here. Then you export the video. See, here are the SEIA cables. The first thing we're going to do with everything turned off, right, is to take the negative wire here from the father. Take the negative wire here from the father. Guys, you're going to see what the negative is, right? It's like I said to you, it's 3 positives and 3 negatives. Let's connect here. The first one here is negative, the father, right? Which is the black wire. It came here. Oh, this blue one fell here. Let's not read it now. This one here. Oh, as I told you, it's red and yellow. Let's call here positive here. Oh, and it's going to be right here, positive, right? There are 3 positives and 3 negatives. Here is the pin connected there, this blue wire. Let's go to the remote, which I will teach you in a little while. That's it. Let's connect the pin here, right? Leave here on one side here, and now we're going to tell you how to make the connection here. In this case, we're going to connect a positive wire and another negative wire, right? Which we're even going to install here. Oh, I connected this wire here. I don't know if it's 2.5. I think it's 1.5 this wire. I advise you to put a 2.5 wire on this 400. If you have an 800 mode, put the 6.6 millimeters. If you have a 1200, put on a thicker one. Understand? That's how the manual usually speaks. You see it in the manual, you put the manual, then on the internet, everyone has the internet, right? If you put it in the manual so that taramps 400 tarampo and 800 taramps 1000 is 1200, you will get it, right? Or the gauge you're going to use. So I'm going to connect, I connected this wire here that I took advantage of, this wire here that I have here. I'm going to connect the blue wire here in positive, right? Blue in the positive here can be red, right? You can use red there in your system. oh, the blue wire on the red and the black here on the negative, right? Showing it here to you, oh, this way here, guys. Oh, showing it here to you this way, tightens it up, right? So you don't slip away, right? It's very important. And here we're going to connect to the battery or the source, right? In that case, one thing we can't fail to talk about here is you take the wire. Your father's blue, huh? And you're gonna call on the remote, right? What's this one? Don't remove it. You turn it on here on the remote wire soon, right? Everything's off, see? Making it very clear, press it tightly, and that's how it goes. See, here we have already connected the part, and now we are going to connect the source, right? Since I put a small wire here, man, it's going to be small here. I had to cut some bigger wires, right? But go there in your own way, like I told you. Okay, 2. 3 negatives that I'm going to connect here. The negative wire here, oh, negative wire and the positive wire here, which is the blue one that I showed you. Oh, this way here, oh, ready. The part of the installation is connected here. You understand the positive, negative, right? It's going to be a bit confusing here. I'm going to try to organize it here, but that's it here. Just remembering, do it with everyone off, see? Don't put in your battery, don't turn on your source. Pass with everything off, then you do the review. When I do here, all right, I'll give a review here, see if everything is okay. Blue such to see if there's anything wrong. See, the first part is over, right? Which is this part here, off. I will even organize the organization here. That you're going to do everything, right? Right on. If you don't understand something, just go back. The video is well chewed. Oh yeah, I put a small film. I regretted it here. But come on, guys, to connect your super twitch to your horn, right? When it's a horn, right? 2 in. And this is your super twitch, right? On the cornet, guys, on the cornet. People use this here. Oh, it's 47 microfarads per 100, right? People use this a lot. You can use others, right? There are a lot of people who use 250 volts. So here, oh, okay, this other one here that I'm going to show you here. Oh, people use this one a lot too, right? But I use this one for 100, understand? Then this connection is very important. When you call here and you have this polarity here, oh, negative here, the one I'm going to use doesn't have it, right? You can use it anyway. Oh, you see there, it has no polarity. But this one has, when you have this here, this polarity, this little menu, you will call here, oh, the positive does not have your horn, and will call from this one. Oh, take the smaller tip, which is this tip here. Oh, then you'll ring the horn like this here. Oh, you understand, guys? Here is the little trace here. The minus you call in the positive here. And from here, you will call in your system. Understand? Because it is negative, it will connect directly to the positive. You will take the tip of the capacitor, which is the negative, connect to the positive, and here you install the wire here. Like this here that I showed you. It will pick up all the Feitinho without Gambiara. I even did a little business here. Everything is schematized. Everything is like this. Then you will take your captor from the captor wire. You will call the horn here in the positive. It is here. On the negative here on the other side. See? And here's the wire here to connect to the amplifier. Super twitch is even quieter. This one has no polarity, right? This one here, I'm going to leave on the screen. Then what is this one here is 250% and 25. I'm going to leave it even on the screen. Then this one is quiet, right? It always empowered in the positive. Oh, showing here for you to always call in the positive here. I don't even know if it will enter. It entered here. And the negative already calls directly, which is this one here. Oh, the negative will stay like this here. As I showed you, oh, negative, here people have trained. It serves not to pass low frequency. It's not about volts. They say volts are kind of safe, right? Like you say, when it goes over 100 volts or something, it holds, right? But generally, it is for the issue of not passing the low frequency that is safe here, right? There is even a complete video that I teach even to you. As this question of this one, if I'm not mistaken, yes, the frequency of 6000 will pass. This one capable of super tweeting. This one will pass more than 1000. If it passes less than 1000, then it burns the horn. Just setting an example for you guys. Understand? It's low frequency and we made the call here. Listen, if you don't understand something, just replay the video there. So this organization here, but that's how it is. Go back to the video if you don't understand something. We connect everything here. Perfect. Now let's show how it connects in the module, right? Here is the serious. There is no positive, negative error. Pay attention. Where is there a positive, negative, right? And the plus and minus, as they say here, it's a medium. Just remembering. It's more right to show you how it makes the connection that I didn't have the low here at that moment. See, there's nothing. Here it's 8 men, right? But usually the base is 4 men. See? Forgive me. Here it's just to do the installation because we want to teach you, see? And in the serious case, I'm already linking the positive and negative here, right? It's easier for you, oh, positive and negative. This thread is very thin, isn't it? Always a gauge, right? You will use the board at least 2 and half, you know, for the grave. If it's low power, right, you can use 2 and half, right? Small graph there of 10 in small power, right? See, for 1, record there from 15, an example that passes more than 1,000 minim. I advise you to put it there. 10 me, huh? At least 100 me, a serious one. Big, huh? More power, see? Let's plead here. So guys, come on, Puro. Amplifier, huh? How do you do it? Is that the connection part? Which is the most important. Also pay attention. Come with me. Anything, put me on the wall. And here, folks, are we going to teach? For you? Here, oh, that. Are we going to turn on the bass? Here, oh, positive and negative? The grave. Here, huh? Shall we install? The grave. Here, in step-by-step we do it. Right, I'm going to connect the blue wire here. Oh. Tighten it tight, huh? Very tight. And here, the brightness, I'm going to turn on the negative here. Oh, how it is here. A box of yours, right? 3 ways in this case. It's going to be that way here. Oh, okay, the bass is on. Like this. Here, oh, that gives 4 men he will send. That way. Here you will send 200 memes. For this grave. Understand? I squeeze this thing here that's kind of loose. We're going down, right? Here's the serious one. A bridge here, right? That will send 4 men, 200 mem. This right here, your bugle. Here, oh, super cornet E. Super twit. Then what are you gonna do? You're gonna get the 2 positives, are you? You'll call together. We'll call on the parallel call. Are you going to get both? Positives from your horn, your super twitch. Here is why. I was weird, right? Aren't you going to do anything then? Are you going to take both of them? Positive. What about the 2 negatives? Like this? Here. Oh, not if. Worry that the capacitor is the one who carries it. Do you understand that you are going to call like this here? Positive, positive. Negative with negative. Will you install in your mode? I'll go. Put it here. Oh, negative. Those negatives, those negatives. Shall we call? The 2 positive in the EM connection. Parallel, see? What about them? Yes, everyone will. I'm gonna do his function. Oh, guys, this way here. Oh, take the negative wire from your super twitch and your bugle calls here, understand? And breathe here. Oh, and get them. 2 super twitch horn positives here. This is very important. You know this here at this time, so as not to give business, right? So it will send, right there is more or 100 RMS for each. See? Everything is very clear. Everything is connected here. Oh, everything is fine. Now let's get to it. The part of RCA cable that we're going to pass to. You guys in this RCA case, guys, here's the channel. 1 and 2. For serious, huh? In case. Shall we get a Y cable? Take it. A Y cable. Oh, here. Oh, this right here is a Y cable, folks. 2 positives. With the exit, it's female, right? In the case. Here. To box drill you. You have to do it this way, folks. It's getting 1. A channel? Here. And you'll put it on the other one here. Oh, like this here. Oh, to the box. Drill if you were going to do it. 69 you go, I go. Make 169 noise, those little boxes. 69. So do you put this one in there? From here. A cable like that from here. But how's it going? Making a triple box will be like this here. Oh, put it aside so we don't lose any of the sound, right? In that case, it won't stay here. Sterile, but you don't lose sound. And here you will put this white one here, and another one here will be in line with this one here. Everything that will come out on a channel here when it was the headset, you will leave the 2, okay? Understanding, and here is very important. Oh, the grave. Let's leave foo. Here's a dry bass. If or your grave is 1. Subwoofer has 1. Dad, will you leave it here in the key? LPF, but let's leave it here in foo, right? Which is a dry bass, you understand? Here in? Bugle from your super. Twitch, will you leave it here? It's very important, pay attention. You leave it at HPF, see? HPF, horns, and super. Twitch leaves this key in HPF, right? Volume when you... to call. When are you gonna call? The sound? It's just that you're increasing. Then you go see if it was making the sound, see? Get down here. That by the time you call, it might explode. And it happens. Anything? So... before turning on the sound, I always turn this little key down. Thing here. Summarizing for you on your horn, on your super twitch next to your super twitch, right? Which is channel 3 and 1/4. Leave the key in the HPF. Not if you use a wolf. Dry bass, huh? You can leave it in full. What if you, for using a page you leave on the HPF, LPF, you mean, oh, will I leave it at? In short, for you, if you are going to leave it on a serious page, you leave it here in the LPF key. If you are going to use a serious C, leave it on the fire. See, here is the level. Then we will reflect the volume here is a lot. Simple, these are left. 2 like us here. Did you call? Are you going to put an SA cable? That one's right here. 2 here. Oh, this cable uses 1. Metro here. Oh, you see there? You will call your father, then you will... Your father? Are you going? Call here on US cable. Here always. The one at the end. Always the one at the end. Are you going to call here? Here. It's a little wire I put on. Do the grounding, right? If you have given noise in the sound, you can do that. Gambia Razia here. Take it from the Canon and A. What do you preach about this? Get out of here. There's an outside one here. It's not this one, it's this one, and you touch it here. And you put it on to connect here. Oh, only? Get it from, it's out. Understand, staying here, oh, more or less here. Like this is to not make noise, right? If you want to do that, if not,
If you want, no problem.
See what it looks like then doing all this? That's it.
On, let's see if there's any sound, right?
Let's see if sound comes out here, show you how it happens, the installation all done if you don't. To understand something, just go back to the video. That's pretty chewy. See, there you go. People with
Everything connected here, see if there's anything.
wrong me, the defect was.
Make a smaller movie, or the space that could have been a larger thread later.
Will I raise it? These wires here?
But when I go to make videos, well, everything is fine here, right? That's not gonna stay.
Goddaughter here, you.
Organize.
All of that.
I just want to show you how to make the call. Easy, see? So let's see if there's any sound.
All seeing.
Everything okay there?
That medium?
Disorganized. But the important thing is to make sound. I'm gonna find a flash drive here
And I'll call here.
to show you how to start the sound and what I do, right? Afterwards.
Everything?
Installed. Oh, I called here at the source, right? Everything's working out. Radio's on.
Here.
The mode has already been activated when I deactivate it here or not here, right?
Look, when I...
Hang up here.
Will he shut it down?
The amplifier too, you see there? I'm already active here.
I'll call him.
The pussy has already been activated there, so let's see if it's just me turning down the sound here. I'll turn it up here.
About 10. There I am.
I'm skipping the sound. An example here, the bugle.
Huh? This side and this is Super Twitch. Hey guys, me. I gave you one.
Little gain, no.
Grave there. Oh.
He's playing everything, that's why he's coming out until the...
Toy chingo.
Oh, and now I'm going to give you a win here in...
No level.
From Cordato. Okay.
Look, guys, I don't know if it's possible. Copyright.
But everything is connected here.
You're winning.
Bravo, oh.
I'll raise it.
The Bravo Pra.
See, oh. Got it, guys. So what? You will, won't you? Are you going?
Increasing the sound, test it, see it here, put it at volume 30 here in the father, put it at volume 40 to see the...
What's that?
Go ahead. If the sound is distorting, it's that annoying thing, always low.
The light one. Here. See? You always lower the light there. It's like this. It goes in like this.
Here we end the call of one.
Wheatbox, how do you do it? Sorry for the organization, but I showed it.
For you, step A.
Over.
It's a video of his class. I had made a video like this.